Hi, my name is Coon. I'm one of the owners and third generation boat captains for Trilogy Excursions. We're Maui's oldest sailboat company. What do I love about Lahaina? Well, for starters, Lahaina has got a deep and rich Hawaiian history. The fact that the capital of the Kingdom of Hawaii used to be here says a lot about the specialness of this place. Look around. The place is captured in time. It's historic. It has culture. It has meaning. Lahaina Harbor, right here behind us, is one of the coolest harbors in the world. As a boat captain, I feel the protection of Mauna Kahalavai. You can have days that are so windy around the entire island, and you come right out here and the wind just stops, and you get this little Lahaina bubble. So I really appreciate that about Lahaina. Lahaina has a deep and rich history, the Hawaiian history here. The people have been living here ever since people have been coming to Hawaii. That's an amazing fact. And also there's a personal history involved. My grandparents first sailed into this harbor in 1972 on a boat they built, and they started a boat company. And 48 years later, we're still operating and having the time of our lives out here in Hawaii.